student. Good morning to all of you. Student, now I am going to teach a new lesson, lesson 5, safety measures. Student, the state of being safe is called safety. Safety means protection against physical, social, spiritual, financial, political, emotional, and educational consequence of any failure, damage, accident, health, hazards, etc. Student, in this chapter, we will discuss about physical safety. Safety measures refer to the step we take so as to prevent ourselves from any kind of injuries, diseases, damage, etc. We say prevention is better than cure. This means, for example, it is better to prevent ourselves from a disease rather than curing it after it infects us. Safety measures, also called precaution, minimize the risk of accident or mishappening and to a great extent ensure safety for us. Student, safety with money, things and safety at many places is very important for us. Student, student, fire is a very good thing, but sometimes it creates problem. Fire is an important form of energy. It is used for various purposes. Fire accidents are the most common accident that causes huge damage to life and property. So precaution should be taken while using fire. Okay, student? So see, student, what we need the preventive measures. See, student, the fire crackers. Student, avoid firework inside your house even on festival or celebration. Every home should have a provision for emergency exit. In case of fire, dial 101 for fire brigade. So, student, install fire sensing alarm at important places in the house such as bedrooms, kitchen and fireplaces. Install proper fire extinguisher. Keep hazardous objects such as matchstick, glusters, stove, flammable chemicals, etc. out of reach of children. Keep all non-cooking objects such as towels, plastic bag, plastic utensils away from your gas stove. Turn off your gas stove just after working. All electrical appliances should be properly operated. All electrical rings should be checked regularly by a specialized electrician. People should avoid smoking at home. Do not use lift during fire. Instead, use staircases to come down. See, student, generally fire takes place due to the carelessness of people. Most fire accidents at home take place in the kitchen owing to wrong handling of gas cylinder and burner, etc. Smoking is one of the major causes of fire accident at home. When a burning cigarette or its ash fall on bed or on anything inflammable, it may lead to a terrible fire. Poor and cheap wiring often leads to short circuit of electrical wire which causes fire at home. So, student, in case of fire due to electrical short circuit, put up the main switch first and then call for immediate help. Student, safety in water. Water is another important necessary of life which can sometimes lead to serious injuries. It may also lead to death. Do not spill water on the floor. Anyone can slip and fall. Do not hang around near water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, or even swimming pools. Always carry a swimming tube with you when you go for swimming. Bathroom. Student, your bathroom is the most likely location for accident. Slips and fall in the tubes and showers are dangerous for anyone, especially for old people who have weak bone and muscles. Equip the bathtub and shower areas with grab bars. Place non-slip mat on the floor. Keep all electrical appliances under plugged when not in use. Student, kitchen. Student, minimize the use of stepping stool or small ladders to reach dishware, cooking appliances, etc. Repair damaged floor tiles to prevent falls. Make sure that the electrical cords are plugged into socket properly and are far away from sink. Sharp kitchen tools such as knives, cutters, choppers, scissors, etc. should be kept out of the reach of children. Even elders should handle them carefully to avoid any accident. Use LPG gas cylinder with extreme safety. Keep them at a safe place. Turn off the gas burner before leaving the kitchen or going to bed at night. Keep the children away from the kitchen while cooking. System, electricity. Student, today we just cannot live without electricity. It is very important for us, but if we don't handle it carefully, it can be very dangerous. Never touch electrical socket or plug with wet hand. There are many electrical devices at home. Use them properly. Always wear a rubber-soled footwear while using any of these electrical devices. So student, these are some points. So please keep your body healthy. Stay at home. So student, the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.